Students, today we are discussing about haloalkanes and haloarenes previous year's questions. This is my YouTube channel. This previous year PYQs up to haloalkanes preparations. The question number 1: how many structural isomers are possible for a given compound? You can check it. This is isomerism topic, class 11th. You learned GOC. See here, CH3, CH2, CH2, Cl. It is one structure. Is there any other structure? Of course, CH3, CH, CH3. Is there any other third possibility? Only two possibilities are there. Again, if you keep this chlorine is here, again the first one only, 1 and 2. Only two possible structures are there. So answer is A. Then in CH3, CH2, Br, the percentage of bromine is, again it is mole concept question. Percentage of bromine equal to bromine mass upon total mass of the molecule into 100. How you will do your marks percentage, your scoring marks by total mass into 100? Similar here. Bromine is approximate 80. Then CH3, CH2, the mass is, CH3 is the 15, CH2 is the 14 plus 80, 15 plus 14, 29 plus 80, 109 into 100. This is the percentage. So C, approximately you will get 75. You can calculate. Next, gem dibromide. Gem means here geminal. Two words are there. One is geminal, the other one is vicinal. Vicinal means adjacent carbons. On adjacent carbons, if two halogens are there, this is called vicinal. On same carbon, two halogens are there, that is called geminal. How to remember? See, if one student has multiple talented, then that is called, he is called a gem student. So gem means multiple bonds on same carbon, like that. You can remember. So see here, where is the answer? Two bromines are there on same carbon, so B is the answer. Then question number 3, ethylidene. Of course, 3 over. Ethylidene dibromide is, ethylidene, question number 4. Ethylidene. See, this one is ethyl chloride. Okay. Then this one is 1,2 dibromo ethane. This one, the geminal one only, is known as ethylidene. Two carbons are there, so this is called ethylidene. This one here, alkene is there. See here, ethyl may two halogens are there on the same carbon, that is called ethylidene. This is a direct question. Next, benzylidene, benzyl. On benzyl carbon, two halogens are there. This is the ethyl carbon, here benzyl. Ethyl means C2H5. Okay, C2H5Cl is there. This is ethyl chloride. Okay, CH3, CH, Cl and extra one more chlorine is there. This is the ethylidene chloride. Now benzyl means, this is the actually benzyl chloride. So benzylidene means one chlorine extra. So one chlorine extra. So PHCHCl2, PHCHCl2. PH means benzene, C6H5, CHCl2. So B is the answer, fifth one. Okay. Next, these are direct questions. Question number 6. Which of the following halide is secondary? You have to write the structure. Isopropyl chloride. Iso means Y shape. I told you. The last second carbon, on last second carbon, methyl group is present. Okay. So isopropyl chloride. Of course, this is only isopropyl chloride. Next, isobutyl chloride. Of course, this is the isobutyl chloride. Okay. Then N-propyl chloride. N means normal, there is no branches. Like this. N-propyl chloride, CH2Cl. Then N-butyl chloride, like this. CH2Cl. Here asking the question secondary. Secondary means first one only answer, isopropyl. Remaining all are primary only. 6th A. Then 7th question. Haloforms are trihalogen derivatives of haloforms. Haloform means CHCl3 is the chloroform. If you remember any one of iodoform, chloroform, if you remember one example, it will be easy for you. So methane derivatives, haloform, trihalogen methane is also known as haloforms. So answer is B, 7th. Next, 8th question. Benzene hexachloride. This short name is BHC. Benzene hexachloride. See, in this name, benzene was there. After in the benzene hexachlorine came extra. So this is the benzene structure. In this benzene 6 chlorines came, 6 chlorines. So that means addition reaction took place. So all 6 chlorines are present here. Okay. Now, what is the name of this IUPAC name? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hexachlorocyclohexane. So A is the answer. This is also nomenclature related question. Next, question number 9. Number of pi bonds present in BHC. Just now I written the structure. You can write it directly 0 because it is cyclohexane type. Okay, there is no pi bonds, all are chlorines only. Next, the general formula for alkyl halide is alkyl halide. See, we know that this is the alkane. In the alkane, if one hydrogen is replaced by halogen, that is called alkyl halide. That means alkane's general formula is CnH2n plus 2. Here one hydrogen is replacing, so CnH2n plus 1. Then the extra next hydrogen is as a halogen. So 2n plus 1 x. 2n plus 1 x means 10th is A. Okay, is there any doubt? You can cross check. Then next, which of the following is a primary halide? Isopropyl iodide. Isopropyl iodide is the secondary. Secondary butyl, already secondary name is given. So this is also not. This is also not. Tertiary butyl bromide. Tertiary butyl bromide means like this. Tertiary butyl, no? This is the tertiary butyl bromide. Okay, so this one also wrong. Next, neohexyl chloride. Neo means plus shape. CH2Cl. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Neopentyl, not neohexyl. Hexyl means one more CH2. CH2Cl. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 carbons are there. Neohexyl. Okay. Neo means actually it is a common name, so you can count it all carbons. It is not at all IUPAC. In IUPAC we will calculate only long chain, but in the common name neo and iso, in these names all carbons we will calculate. Next, the full name of DDT. It is a direct question, you have to know this. Dichloro diphenyl trichloroethane. Trichloro means 1 comma 1 comma 1. See here, trichloro only one is there, of course this one trichloro. 2 comma 2 parachloro diphenylethane. See, if you know the structure, easily you can write it trichloro like this, then benzene ring here also benzene ring. On this benzene ring, para position chlorine, para position में chlorine. Now numbering is started here 1 comma 2. Why 1 comma 2? Why not on the benzene carbon? See, halogens and phenyl. See, halogens means X, R, AR and NO2, then OR. These all are not functional groups. So just we have to give as a lowest lowest sum of rule, and if a substituents are lowest sum of rule is same, then we have to go for alphabetical order. Okay, so obviously here 3 substituents are there, we have to give the more preference for this carbon. Next, here preparations. The first video already we discussed. The following reaction is SOCl2. From alcohol to haloalkanes we can prepare by 3 reagents. One is PCl5, PCl3, SOCl2 majorly. But here this SOCl2 has a special property. By using SOCl2 we will get pure alkyl halide. We will get pure alkyl halide. Why? Because these two are gases. Okay, that is the specific nature of this reaction. So this is the named reaction also. See which one here? D'Argens. This is a direct question, you had memory based. Next, what is the main product of the reaction between 2-methyl propene with HBr? See, in the preparations topic, you can see in the next video. I will explain you now. What is the main product of the reaction between 2-methyl propene? 1, 2, 3. Propene, 2-methyl. Obviously here double bond. Then you are reacting with HBr. In alkene, which type of reaction takes place? Electrophilic substitution reaction takes place. So the Br will attack on the more stable carbocation. More stable carbocation, we can say, where less number of hydrogens are there it will attack. So now the bromine will go middle, CH3, CH3, here hydrogen, here bromine. This is known as Markovnikov product. Markovnikov product. Okay. So what is the Markovnikov rule? Plus and minus when unsymmetrical reagent and unsymmetrical alkene is there, this negative particle will attack where less number of hydrogens are, more stable carbocation. Okay, so what is the answer now? Numbering 1, 2, 3. 2-bromo 2-methyl propane. 2-bromo 2-methyl propane. That means the last one. Okay, D is the answer. Okay, in the next video we can discuss remaining questions. Bye. Thank you.